So we were doing yesterday exercise 4, page 94. Now we will do exercise 6, page 94, the same page. So open your math books, please, page 94. Let's do exercise 6, page 94. Yeah. We will compare the fractions by using less than, bigger than, or equal. But before we start, let's revise the types of fractions. Then I will give you time to start with exercise 6 alone, then we will correct it together. Yeah. So before we start, in exercise 6, yeah, teacher, page 94, we will compare fractions by 1. Did you see? 4 over 9 by 1, 15 over 24 by 1, 3 over 3 by 1. How do we compare fractions by 1? Before we start, in order to compare any fraction by 1, we have to check, is it a proper fraction or improper fraction or equals 1? Let's revise. When do we say a fraction is a proper fraction?
I finished number 6.
Why do you say 1?
So what shall I do, ya Nabil?
It's 1.
شو بحصة الجرامر؟
The same, okay.
مش بحصة الجرامر إن إحنا أو spelling.
I am
Nabil,
so easy.
Yes.
when do we say a number is a proper fraction?
When the numerator is is smaller than the denominator.
Excellent. For example, 3 out of 4, or 5 out of 6, or 7 out of 9, and so on. Plenty of fractions. We call them proper fractions. If the numerator up is less than its denominator. 3 is less than 4. 5 is less than 6. 7 is less than 9. And all the proper fractions are less or more than 1?
The proper
More.
They are
less.
less. Excellent. So in order to compare any fraction by 1, I check, is it a proper fraction? If it's a proper, quickly I will put less than 1. Okay? Type.
okay.
Now, when do we say a fraction is an improper fraction? Let me ask.
When it's
Teacher, when
This one it's numerator.
when it's numerator.
Greater. Bravo.
The numerator is greater than the denominator.
Okay, thank you. For example, 10 out of 9, 6 out of 2, 7 out of 4, and so on.
100
Plenty of fractions are improper fractions because the numerator is bigger. Type. They are less or more than 1?
more
More than 1. Excellent. More than 1. So in order to compare any fraction by 1, if it's improper, quickly I will put more than 1. Okay? Okay. Now, Zahra Abdurrida, when do we say a fraction equals 1? Equal 1.
When they are equal.
For the example, give me example.
When they are the same, like 3 over 3, 2 over 2.
4 over 4, 9 over 9, plenty. All these fractions equals 1, okay?
100 over 100.
Okay. In order to compare any
100
fraction,
over 100.
yes, exactly. So in order to compare any fraction by 1, I check. If it's a proper, I will put less than 1. Improper, more than 1.
Exactly.
If they are the same, so equals 1. Yeah. Start alone, please, with exercise 6. Yeah.
Teacher, can I ask you something?
Yes, Hassan.
Teacher, I finished.
94.
And exercise,
From
exercise 6,
I can say from
Listen,
yesterday.
Yusuf. Listen.
Yeah.
teacher, in exercise 6, there are 15 over 24 equal 1. Teacher, now the one what mean?
Yeah, Hassan. Check
15
15. Hassan, 15 over 24 هي proper أو improper؟
Improper.
لا proper. 15 less. Hassan, 15 less than 24. So quickly we have to say the fraction is less than 1, like this.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Work.
Pretty nice exercise.
The easiest exercise ever.
True.
I'm with you, Hamad.
I am done.
Okay, let me ask Amal Faqih.
Very easy. Miss, can I do one? Can I do one?
So today Zahra Abdelrida did.
Teacher, yesterday I don't make.
I know Jawad, I know.
Me.
Amal Faqih.
Yes.
Miss,
Yalla
can
ya
I do
Amal.
one?
The first one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Teacher, I don't understand this question very well.
طيب
How
Amal,
I
tell
will
me.
do it?
4 over
Very
9.
easy. Miss, can I do one?
Compare, wait. Amal,
Easy,
is
easy.
4 less or more than 9?
Yes.
Is 4 less or more than 9?
Less.
Less. So it's less
Less.
than 1. That's it. So less than 1. That's it.
Like this.
Yes. If it's more, we write more than 1. If they are the same, equals 1. That's it. Okay. Another way, denominator 9, you can write 1 as full mark, 9 over 9. 4 is less than 9. 2 ways. Both of them are correct.
Yes.
طيب. Do the second one, ya Amal.
15 over 24.
Yes.
Teacher, that 15 is bigger than 1.
Yeah, Amal, concentrate,
bigger.
please.
What is bigger?
Yes.
15, is it less or more than 24 compared by the denominator?
It's less. 15
So,
less.
so the fraction is
1.
less or
one.
more than 1?
Less.
Less.
Teacher, 15 is less than.
Less. Why did you say more? Amal, 15 is less than 24, so the fraction is less than 1. We compare numerator by the denominator, not by 1.
Yes.
Teacher, I can make.
Teacher, please don't say can I make. I will choose it from my list. Now Jad Al-Hariri.
Okay. 3 over 3 and 1. 3 over 3 equals 1, so they're equivalent.
Bravo. Bravo, Jad. Nabil Mehsen. Nabil did.
Yes, I have a question.
Now, yes, Jad, ask me.
Why in 4 over 9 and 1, why did you choose that 1 is 9 over 9? Not any other number.
You can choose. Look why, Jad. We can choose 1, we can choose it 3 over 3, 7 over 7, 6 over 6. But here, أنا بهيدا أول part شو اللي بيفيدني؟ إنه أنا أكتبها 9 over 9 ما بيفيدني إذا كتبت 7 over 7. أوكي نحن فينا نختار أي fraction يكونوا النيوميريتور والدينومينيتور the same. But هلا هون بأول part اللي بيفيدني إنه أنا أكتبها 9 over 9 حتى أقدر أعمل لهم comparison. بصير عندي two fractions عندهم same denominators. We can compare them quickly. Okay?
Okay.
بس
Because
اللي
9
عم
over 9. Yes.
9, yes,
I
same
understand.
denominators, 9, 9, we can compare them quickly. Or you can write it 4 over 4, for example. بصير عندهم
is
same
bigger than 4.
enumerators. بصير عندهم same enumerators. The biggest fraction, the one that has less denominator. اللي هو الفول mark. Okay?
Okay, thanks.
طيب. Now بتول الحاج.
Okay.
بتول.
Yes.
يلا يا بتول. 9 over 10 و 10 over 10.
تيجي بس هيدا ما فهمتش كتير منيح هيدي الفراكشن بس
The easiest بتول look 10 و 10 same denominators compare them.
Yes.
Which one is the biggest?
They are equal.
How equal? 9 equals 10.
10 over 10 is the biggest.
10
Listen,
over 10 is the biggest.
10 over 10. So here full mark يا بتول. Same denominators. How do we compare fractions having the same denominator? The biggest fraction, the one that has biggest numerator اللي هو 10 over 10. 10 is bigger than 9. Okay, بتول. بتول.
Because it equals 1.
Yes, yes.
Or you can say, bravo Jad, you can say 10 over 10
10
it's
over
the
10
same as
equals
1.
1. 9 over 10 is proper.
Proper, bravo Jad. The proper fractions are less than 1.
9
Bravo.
over 10 is proper.
Excellent. طيب حسن جابر.
That is correct.
حسن جابر. يلا يا حسن. 1 و 12 over 12.
Equal.
Equals. Excellent. طيب أمير عودة. أمير. أمير. The last one. 1 و 17 over 20.
One
أمير.
biggest.
ما عم
لا عادي
بسمع.
خلنا.
ما عم بسمع.
It's just singing.
أمير. It's less than 1 you said. يا يوسف بزون stop it.
Yes. But I'm saying it's not me.
No, miss, it's not Yusuf.
يلا يا أمير.
So.
It's less than 1.
Okay, less than 1. Bravo. Because it's a proper fraction, so it's less than 1. طيب. Now I will explain exercise 5. Yeah. Listen and pay attention carefully. Circle the smallest fraction. Here we have 4 groups. In each group, we will circle the smallest fraction. If you look at the first one, we have 3 fractions here. How do we compare them? They have different numerators, 2, 4, 5, with different denominators, 3, 5, 6. How do we choose the smallest fraction? What shall I do in order to choose the smallest?
Over 6.
Compare them by 1.
No. No,
The
all of them.
big is the small.
No. How do we compare fractions? Having different numerators.
Teachers do it like exercise 4.
Proud of you. Proud of you, Nabil.
We
Excellent.
do like exercise.
Excellent. The same as exercise 4. Bravo, like the previous question. If we have fractions having different numerator or different denominators, I can't choose quickly the smallest fraction. I can't. We will find a common denominator or a common numerator. We can make all the numerators the same, or we can make all the denominators the same in order to compare them. We can't compare them just if they have same numerator or same denominator. Clear?
Denominator.
So before I choose the smallest fraction, we will find either common numerator or common denominator. Numerator or denominator. We can find the multiples of numerators اللي هن 2, 4, 5 or multiples لل 3, 5, 6. Both ways are correct. We will get the
But
same
if there's
answer.
a fraction that equals 1 and the other is proper.
So we will do it like exercise 6. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Type here, let's do the first one as a common denominator, then we will do the second one as a common numerator. Okay, I will do both ways. Yeah. In the first one, what are the denominators here?
3, 5, 6.
Bravo. So we will find now.
3, 5, 6.
We will find
3,
now
5,
multiples
6.
of 3 numbers, not just 2. Okay, thank you. Multiples of 3 numbers, not just 2, okay? We will find the common multiple other than 0 for 3 numbers, not just 2 numbers. Yeah.
Okay.
Multiples of 3, multiples of 5
3
and
6
6. طيب أسيل حيدر. أسيل حيدر.
Teacher, may I save my
You are
multiple
not
of 3?
teacher.
أسيل. أسيل.
معلش من عندي.
طيب جواد شمس الدين.
Yes, the
Yeah.
teacher.
أسيل
Yes,
are you hearing
teacher.
me؟ طيب يلا يا أسيل
Yes.
start. What are the
0.
multiples of 3? Yes.
0, 3, 6,
No.
9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, continue down يا.
Morning,
Good
Madam
morning.
Malak.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning أستاذ علي.
It's enough for.
Good
Okay.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
good morning.
Yeah. Asil, please continue. When you see the first common multiple other than 0, you have to stop. Yeah.
0,
0,
5,
5,
0, 5, 10, 15,
نعم.
Page, Madam Malak.
yes.
20, 20,
Page?
Wait, yes, أستاذ علي.
Which page?
Page 94. We are doing exercise 5, page 94.
94.
Okay? Yeah. Continue, yeah.
5.
Continue, yeah, Asil.
20,
but
20.
15 is the common multiple.
25,
لا, wait a minute. Muhammad Ajjawi, 15 is a common multiple of 3 and 5, but we have to check. Is it in table 6?
20, 25,
20, 25,
30,
30. Okay. Table 6 يا أسيل. Table 6.
0,
30.
0, 6,
12,
12,
Is times 5.
18,
18.
30 is the common multiple.
24,
Muhammad, please listen.
Times 5.
Muhammad Ajjawi, listen. 24,
30,
30. So what is the first common multiple other than 0? 30. We can't choose 15. 15 is a common multiple of 3 and 5, but is it in table 6?
No.
No. So 30 is the first common multiple other than 0. So the common denominator is how much?
30,
30. So first step, I will copy the common denominator in all. I will write over 30 in all. Okay? Now, I look at the first denominator, table 3. Which number in table 3 give us 30? 10. So what shall I do? We have to multiply by which number?
10,
By 10. Type. Look at the second denominator, table 5. Which number in table 5 give us 30?
6.
So we have to multiply by 6. Which number in table 6 give us 30?
5.
We have to multiply by 5. Okay, so we multiply by 5. So teacher, mistakes in this question, some students, when they wrote here the common denominator, they will write quickly 2, 4, 5. No, you have to multiply first. Check which number in table 3 give us 30. It's 10. Multiply by the numerators, then choose the smallest fraction. I can't copy quickly 2, 4, 5. You have to multiply. Okay, then write the numerators. Yeah. 2 times 10, how much?
20.
20. 4 times 6,
24.
24.
24. 5 times 5,
25.
25. Which fraction is the smallest fraction? 20 over 30?
20 over
20,
20. Excellent.
Why do we
Bravo.
multiply?
Jad, because we wrote here.
Why do we have to multiply?
Okay. Jad, did you remember how do we find common denominators from the previous lesson? طيب, the common denominator يا جاد is 30.
Yes.
So denominator in the first fraction was 30. It was 3
Yes.
becomes 30. So which number? How do we find equivalent fractions? We have to multiply up and down by the same number. The 3 becomes 30. Which number in table 3 give us 30? It's 10.
Ah, okay, now I know.
We multiplied down by 10, so we have to multiply also the numerator by 10. Okay? Type. So the smallest fraction. Now all of them have the same
So it's
denominator.
yes, so it's just like finding the common denominator.
Yes, yes. So now all the fractions having the same denominator, 30, 30, 30, the smallest fraction, the one that has the smallest numerator is 20. Okay? So 2 over 3 is the smallest fraction in the first part. Is
20.
it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Type. Now, yeah, teacher, I will do the second one in another way. I will find now a common numerator. We said both of them are correct. We can choose common numerator or common denominator, okay? The easiest one for you. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Type. Now let's do the second one. And now 1 over 3 with 3 over 4 1 over 2. Now Jawad Shamsuddin.
Miss, but is there a purpose to multiply?
You can choose common numerator or common denominator.
Is there a
Both of them.
purpose or we can just skip?
No, we have to multiply, ya Jad, because all have different numerators or different denominators. So you have to write the explanation like me on your
Teacher, the
math box.
electricity turned off.
Okay, teacher, okay.
What?
You have to write like me on your
So I
math
didn't hear
box.
you.
On your math box, you have to write like me, times 10, times 6, times 5, and write the fractions under each one, okay?
Yes, I did the same.
Okay. Type. Now, Jawad Shamsuddin, are you here? Jawad,
Just fixing them when we multiply.
Jawad.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, when we multiply, we're just fixing them.
Yes, Jawad, are you here?
Teacher.
Jawad Shamsuddin.
Yes, I am here.
Type. Yalla ya
Yes,
Jawad.
teacher, I am
The
here.
second one.
Yes, yes.
1 over 3.
Yes,
3
he's
over
here.
4 and 1 out of 2. How do we
have to
choose?
multiply the diameters.
Denominator.
3, 4, 2.
Denominator. It's not a diameter. Denominator.
Yeah.
Type. We said, ya Jawad, we can find a common denominator or a common numerator. Let's find here common numerator because we have table, look, table 1. It's so easy. Okay?
Okay.
Let's choose common numerator. So we have
Okay.
to find multiples of what?
Okay. The 1 and 3 and 1.
So it's the same, 1 and 3. Table 1 or table 3. So easy. Yeah. Tell me table 3.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, table 3.
0, 3.
So what is the first common
0,
multiple?
1, 2. Is this 3?
3. Okay.
3.
Now the 3, where should I copy it? Up or down?
We have.
Up, because it's a common numerator.
Yes.
So let me copy it up. 3, 3, 3. Now what shall I do, ya Jawad?
I have to. Teacher, I wasn't with you because.
طيب.
قطعت
Jawad,
الكهرباء.
listen. You said that 3 is a common numerator, okay? We copied 3 in all. Now,
Yes.
before I copy the denominators here, 3, 4, 2, we should multiply. In table 1, ya Jawad, which number give us 3?
1 times 3.
So we have to multiply by 3. Then in table 3, which number give us 3? Multiply by 1.
Times 1. 3
Okay.
times 1.
In table 1, which number give us 3?
3.
3 multiply by 3. So we have to multiply Then write the denominators. يلا 3 times 3.
3 times 3, 9.
9. The
Nine.
second one.
1 times 3.
1 times 3, 3.
1 times 4. Denominator جواد.
1 times 4, 4.
Okay.
And 2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay.
2 times
Here you have to pay attention. The smallest fraction اللي هي أسوأ علامة يا جواد. All have same numerator. The smallest fraction, the one that has
3/9.
3/9. Excellent. Biggest denominator هي the smallest grade. Okay. So if you are finding a common numerator, don't forget the smallest fraction, the one that has biggest denominator. But if you are finding a common denominator, no need to reverse them. The smallest fraction with the smallest numerator. But if you are finding same numerators, the smallest fraction with greatest denominator. Okay?
Yes.
So, the 3/9 هو the smallest grade. يعني ال 1/3 هو the smallest fraction.
Okay.
So like this, we will solve it as a common numerator or a common denominator. Both ways are correct.
Teacher, can I solve some?
We still have just 6 minutes. طيب. Now, Majid,
You will put for us homework.
maybe Hassan, I will check. Majid,
Yes.
يلا يا Majid. How do we compare 10/12, 3/7, 2/8?
The common numerator is 30.
Bravo. So you are finding tables 10, table 3, and table 2. Yes? طيب.
Yes.
طيب, let me write table 10 و 3 و 2. Table 10, table 3 و table 2. يلا يا ماجد, start. You can choose common denominator, table 12 و 7 و 8. No problem. يلا يا ماجد.
Miss the common numerator. The common.
You said the common numerator is 30
Miss the
in
common
all.
numerator is. Oh no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I will write 30 in all. Then what shall I do, ya Majid?
20, 30.
Majid?
Yes.
Now what shall I do,
Yes,
ya
miss,
Majid?
it is. It is 30.
Yes, yes. Majid?
It is 30.
Majid?
Multiply by 3.
طيب, bravo. 10 times which number equals 33? So we have to multiply by 3. طيب, the second one. Jad, please listen.
30. Miss, yes, 30.
Yes. In the second one, ya Majid, which number in table 3 give us 30?
7.
Yes.
10. 10.
10. Okay. And the third one, which number in table 2 give us 30?
15.
15. Bravo, Majid. Excellent. طيب, let's multiply. Denominators. 12 times 3. How much?
36.
36. Excellent. 7 times 10.
70.
70. Bravo. 15.
70.
15 times 8. Let's arrange.
20.
15 times 8. How much?
120.
Let me check it. 8 times 5, 40.
100.
8, 9, 10, 11, 120. Bravo, ya Majid. Excellent. Which fraction is the smallest one, ya Majid?
2/8.
2/8. Proud of you, Majid. Excellent. Bravo. 2/8 اللي هو 30/120 اللي هو the smallest grade. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
So the smallest
Yes.
fraction, the one that has biggest denominator, and don't forget to multiply the denominators, please.
Yeah.
Okay, we still have the last one. I will leave the last
Find
one.
an equivalent fraction. Was it the same?
I will leave the last one. He homework.
Yes,
Okay.
can you put it at homework?
Yes.
Okay.
You will do the same way. You
Teacher,
will
why
find
don't you do it?
same numerator or same denominator.
Which day, teacher, the homework?
Teacher,
On
can
Tuesday.
can
On
we find
Tuesday.
the common denominator?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. See you on Monday.
didn't finish.
Type. I will share it again.
Bye.
Bye.